What is this blind girl doing? This blind girl is making chicken salad. When I did my grocery shopping today, which I had it delivered, I got a rotisserie chicken from Walmart, which that won't be happening anymore. I'm going to go back to Sam's Club to get my rotisserie chickens, I think. But anyways, that's a whole different story. Um, I do that because we like to I take the rotisserie chicken and then have it for dinner. I made some stuffing, mashed potatoes, and gravy. And it was the mashed potatoes from Bob Evans. It was a simple dinner, and that was dinner. Well, there's leftover chicken, so I shredded that, and I'm going to make chicken salad out of that because chicken salad is good. I mean, I don't know if you guys like it or not, but it's good, especially with some croissants. And so that is what I'm doing right now. And I did forget to grab one ingredient out of the fridge before I start putting everything together. When I make my chicken salads, I like to put the dried cranberries in them. It makes it so good. And I don't put grapes in, so this is like in place of the grapes. So, anyways, I already have the chicken shredded, as you saw. This is chopped green onions and chopped celery. I used my little hand chopper, got it up nice and fine because you don't want it too big for a chicken sandwich. This is mayo. And I'm going to put that in here. Try not to waste any in there. This is sour cream going in. I think I got all of that. And now I am going to start adding all the seasonings in. And you will have to bear with me on that because the recipe's right here and I have to scoop them up. And first thing will be, I'll wait on that. Okay, first thing will be parsley. Try to make this as fast as possible, right? All right. Need my teaspoon. Okay, so we got parsley going in. Okay, that one's taken care of. Next will be dill weed or dill. I know it's dill weed, but so put some dill in there. Got to actually get the measurement right. Okay, dill is in there. Next will be onion powder. Onion powder. I definitely didn't want to do that there. Onion powder. And next is garlic powder, which is right here. Garlic powder going in. Next will be sugar. Sugar's right here. Okay, we got sugar in. But that was really the wrong measurements because I didn't change the. Now that is the correct measurements. Okay, that was sugar. Now we need salt, which I'm going to make sure to change that this time. Did I take? Yeah, I took the salt out. Don't get stuck. Did it fill? Okay. No, it didn't. It's towards the end, which makes it hard to get the salt out of there, at least when you're measuring. All right, salt. Pepper will be the last dry. And I think I need a smaller measuring spoon for the pepper. Okay. Now after I did the, oh, that smells weird. After I did the dry, I needed this for mustard. Get that all out of there. It all came out. Stop the timer. Sometimes it doesn't hear me. Stop the timer. Heard me that time. Okay. I need lemon juice, which is this one. I'm going to do this over the sink because I can be messy. Imagine that. Lemon juice. Now, I'm going to mix this all up, and I'm going to use gloves. It's easier. And I always tend to put these on backwards. I don't know why. Okay, we're on. And I'm going to mix this up really good. And once I mix this up, I'm going to add the craisins into it. Want to make sure all those seasonings get in there really good. And these gloves, man, I'm telling you. Now I'm going to take the glove off because I can use the spatula from here. It's just easier sometimes to just get your hands in there. I know some people don't like that, but that is the way I do it. Okay, we're going to finish off this bag of craisins and see how much went in there. And then I'm going to open up the new bag. Got to take that garbage out. I think that's a pretty good amount. I don't really measure on that. I think we're good. Now, I'll use my spatula and finish because then I can scrape the sides better too. That's one thing you can't do with the gloved hand is and that's complete. I like to do it in advance. So this will sit overnight and probably be lunch tomorrow. And it's very good salad. So yeah, that's that. Everybody have a good night. Make sure that you like, comment, share, and follow.